running, running. Flying, flying. Look at the eagle soaring in the air. He is flying. Bounce, bounce, bounce. That sure looks like fun to see the boy bouncing up and down. Let's say that word again. Bounce. Hopping, hopping, hopping. That kangaroo sure hops high into the air. Jump, jump. Are we going to jump up and down?
Yeah.
We are. Let's do it.
Okay.
Ready, set. Jump up and down, jump up and down. Let's jump up and down. Jump up and down, jump up and down. Let's jump up and down. We jump up and down. We jump, jump, jump up and down. We jump up and down. We jump and stop. Freeze, good job, good listening, very good. Chewing, chewing. Watch the buffalo as he chews, chewing. Swimming, swimming. This is a cheetah swimming. You don't see this every day. Swimming. Splashing, splashing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's very good to have nice manners, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tasting. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
Very good. Tasting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Counting. Can you read the word eating? Eating. All the animals are having a birthday party, aren't they? This word is stepping. Stepping. La 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 la. Singing. Singing. Coloring. Coloring. That looks like so much fun. Playing. Playing. These children are playing make-believe. Please subscribe to Miss Holly Teaches for more learning. Bye for now.